Welcome back friends. Previously we started exercise 3.3 and we completed question number 1. Today we will continue exercise and today we will cover question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Okay. So question number 2, previously we completed part A, B and C in question number 2. Today we complete 4th and 5th. So here parallelogram is given and you need to find the unknown angles x, y and z. Okay, so here you can see this angle is 80. Now first of all, whenever you solve the example related to parallelogram, you need to remember the properties. 4 properties we have learned, that is opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary and diagonals bisect each other. Okay, so here this angle is 80, so angle y is also 80. Why? Because this angle and y is opposite angle. So y is equal to 80, reason opposite angle that are equal. Now this angle is 80 and z. So if we consider these are the sides of parallelogram, means these two sides are parallel to each other and this will be transversal. Okay, so 80 and z will be corresponding angles. So z is also 80, reason corresponding angles are equal. Okay. If these two are correspond, this line is considered as a transversal and sides of parallelogram are, we know that they are parallel to each other. Means these two are corresponding angle and corresponding angles will be equal. Now we need to find x. 80 and x are adjacent angle and adjacent angles are supplementary. So we can write x plus 80 is equal to 180. Reason adjacent angles are supplementary. Clear? So x is equal to 180 minus 80, that is 100. So what will be measure of x? That is 100. Clear? Now we will solve this one. Here parallelogram is given. This angle is 112. If this angle is 110, opposite angle is also 112. So y is also 112. Why? It is opposite angle. Now, you can find x first of all by using the property of angle sum of triangle. 40 plus 112 plus x is equal to 180. If you solve that equation, you will get value of x. Otherwise, you can write 112 is equal to 40 plus z. જે રીતે કરવું હોય એ રીતે થાય. કેમ કે 100 this angle and these angles are supplementary, so you can write 40 plus z plus 112 is equal to 180. આ આખો એંગલ કન્સિડર કરીએ અને આ એંગલ બંને એડજેસન્ટ એંગલ છે. What is this angle? 40 plus z and this angle is 112. So addition of these are 180. Why? Because adjacent angles are supplementary. કાં તો તમે પહેલા x ફાઇન્ડ કરો ટ્રાયેંગલ કન્સિડર કરીને. x and z will be alternate angle. અહીંયા z ફોર્મ થાય છે. That's why if you find x, same measure of z. બંને રીતે થાય. So first we find first of all x because it will be easier for you. So if we consider this triangle, then x plus y plus 40 is equal to 180. Angle sum of triangle. Y is 112, 180. So x plus 152 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 152, that is 28. Clear? What is the value of x? 28. So z is also 28. Reason alternate angle. Again, if you want to find z first, then what you have to do? 40 plus z plus 112 is equal to 180. If you solve that, you will get z is equal to 28 and then x and z will be same. Clear? Now, question number 3. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram? If here the condition are given and you need to find is it possible for a parallelogram. So first one, D plus B is equal to 180. First of all, we draw a parallelogram ABCD. Okay. Now what is the first statement? Angle D and angle B is equal to 180. So where is angle D? It is here. And angle B. Opposite angle in a parallelogram are equal, not 180. Okay, so it is not possible. Now next one. AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 centimeter. That is AB is equal to 8 and DC is equal to 8. AD is 4 and BC is 4.4. Again, this is not possible because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So this possibility is also not possible. Now next one, angle A is 70. If this angle is 70, angle C can be 65. If in parallelogram we learn that opposite angles are equal, so if angle A is 70, in parallelogram angle C is also 70. It cannot be 65 degree in a parallelogram. That's why this is also not possible. ओके जो एक एंगल 70 હોય અને એની ઓપોઝિટ એંગલ 65 હોય તો એ પેરેલેલોગ્રામ કહેવાય નહીં સેમ here opposite sides are not same so it is again not parallelogram and here opposite angles are not 180 it is equal in a parallelogram that why it is not possible. Now question number 4, draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. What you have to do here, you need to draw a quadrilateral means any shape polygon of 4 sides, but the condition is what it not be a parallelogram. એવો figure draw કરવાની છે કે parallelogram ના હોય but opposite angles are of equal measure. કોઈ એક opposite angle હોય બે એ equal measure ના હોય. So you can try many shapes but if you draw a kite, okay, so in kite one pair of opposite angles are equal. That's why kite is quadrilateral which is not parallelogram. But exactly two opposite angles are equal. Clear? This way you can find answer. Now question number 5. The measure of two adjacent angles of parallelogram are in ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each angle. So here we already saw this kind of example when ratio is given. So मैं तुमने सिखाया तो second chapter में if ratio is given then you can write first is 3x and second is 2x. Okay. So here adjacent angles are given means if we consider this parallelogram then if this angle is 2x, if we consider this as a 3x, it will be 2x. Adjacent angles are in a ratio 3:2. So let one angle is 3x and adjacent angle is 2x. Now we learn the property of parallelogram that in a parallel, let's say this is ABCD, give the name. So if angle B is 3x and angle A is 2x, A and B are adjacent angle and adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Supplementary means measure is 180. So you can write 3x plus 2x is equal to 180. 5x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 divide 5. 36. X is equal to 36. So let's consider angle A, that is 2x. 2 into 36, 72. Angle B, that is 3x. 3 into 36. And angle C is also 72, reason opposite angle, and angle B is 108. Clear? So we find all the angle. What we have to? Here we need to assume that at one angle is 3x, another angle is 2x, but we know the property of parallelogram, that is adjacent angles are supplementary, means sum of adjacent angle is 180. So you can write 3x plus 2x is 180. If you solve 3x plus 2x is 5x, now 500 divide, you will get x is equal to 36. So angle A will be 2 into 36, 72. Angle B is equal to 3 into 36, that is 108. Now angle C and A are opposite, so it is also 72. And angle D and B are opposite angle that are equal, so it is 108. Now question number 6. Two adjacent angles of parallelogram are of equal measure. Find the measure of each angle. Again, if adjacent angles are equal, so this angle is x, this is also x. Opposite angles are also x. X in a parallelogram we know that opposite angles are equal. So I angle x, let's say PQR. Then P and Q are adjacent angle, and if they are equal, then P is equal to x, Q is also x. Opposite angle of P is x, so it is also x, and opposite angle of Q, that is x, is also x. Clear? So here you can solve this example with two methods. First of all, we perform the same as in question number 5. Angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180, so it is 90, and opposite angles S and R also 90. Otherwise, you can find x plus x plus x plus x, that is 360. बनने नहीं देता है. So let's start. Let one angle is x and adjacent angle is also x. So x plus x is equal to 180. Adjacent angles are supplementary. If it is a parallelogram, then adjacent angles are supplementary. So we can write x plus x is equal to 180. That is 2x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 divided 2. That is 90 degree. Means angle P is equal to 90. Angle Q is also 90. Angle Q and S are opposite angle, so it is also 90. And angle R and P are also opposite angle, so R is also 90. Clear? Otherwise, you can write if angle this one is F, adjacent angles is equal, means all angles are of x degree. So x plus x plus x plus x, that is 4x is equal to 360. Why? Because angle sum in a parallelogram is 360. So if you solve that example, that equation 4x is equal to 360, again you will get 90 degree. Clear? Question number 7. In figure, HOPE is a parallelogram. Find the angle of measure x, y, and z. State which property you use. Okay, what you have to do? Here you need to find angle x, y, and z, but in a bracket you need to write which property you used in that example. Okay, so here this angle is 70, that is exterior angle, y, x, and z. So first of all we will find POH, that is interior angle. Okay, this angle POH and 70 are linear pair. Okay, तुमने देखा है linear pair. So it is 180. So we can write angle POH plus 70 is equal to 180. Why? Because linear pair. And linear pair means 180. So we get angle POH, that is 180 minus 70, 110. If this angle is 110, opposite angle is also 110. So we get PEH. X is equal to 110 by opposite angle. Opposite angles are equal. Clear? Now, if this angle is, you can consider here alternate angle. અહીંયા Z દેખાય છે. We know that these are parallel line. So this will be transversal. So angle EHP and HPO are alternate angle. Angle EHP and angle HPO are alternate angle. So angle HPO is equal to, that is Y is equal to 40. Clear? Now here you can consider this angle is 40, this angle is 110, and you consider triangle HPO. Then angle Z plus angle Y plus 110 will be 180. So in triangle HPO, we are considering this triangle. Angle H plus angle P plus angle O is equal to 180. Angle H, that is Z, Y we found 40, and this angle O is 110 is equal to 180. So Z plus 150, 180. So Z is equal to 180 minus 150, 30. Clear? What? First of all, we found angle POH, that is interior angle. Interior angle and exterior angle are of linear pair. That's why 110 or X. POH plus 70 is equal to 180. POH is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110. If we get this angle 110, X is also 110 because opposite angle in a parallelogram are equal. Now if we consider EH and PO are the sides of parallelogram, means they are parallel to each other, and this will be transversal. So angle EHP and angle HPO are alternate angles. So if this is 40, this is also 40 degrees. So y is 40. Now we consider lower triangle, that is HPO. In a triangle, angle H plus angle P plus angle O is equal to 180. So if you solve the equation, you will get Z is equal to 40. Question number 8. The following figures, guns and runs, are parallelogram. Find X and Y. Measures are in a centimeter. Okay, so let's solve first figure. Here, first figure is given. This is a parallelogram, and here which measurements are given? You can see these are the sides of parallelogram, and we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. Can we write that? So we can write in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So we can write 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. Okay, if we consider this as a parallelogram, then side measurements are given, and we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So we can write 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. Now we have equation 1 is the negative, become positive. So 3y is equal to 27. Now y is equal to 27 by 3, that is 9. So we found y is equal to 9. Now opposite side, that are 3x is equal to 18, x is equal to 18 by 3, x is equal to 6. Or you can write only 6. Clear? So next one, here parallelogram is given, and which measurements are given? You can see in a figure that it is a diagonal. And what is the property for a diagonal? In a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. bisect each other. Bisect each other means if we consider this, then RO is equal to OS is equal to OU and RO is equal to OA. Clear? Means this part OS is equal to OU and OR is equal to OL. Okay. So here what is our OS? That is 20 and OU is y plus 7. Now we have equation. So if we take 7 on the left side, it will be subtraction. So y is equal to 30. Clear? Now what is RO? That is 16 and ON, that is x plus 1. But we have a value of y 13 in a previous one. So 16 is equal to x plus 13. Now 13 in a subtraction. So 16 minus 13 is equal to x. So x is equal to, which property we use? We use diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So we can write this part is equal to this part and this one part is equal to this part. Clear?